Yo, what is up guys? It's Ryan Connor here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going on Source BMX and building my dream bike. So if you want more videos like this where I can build like the world's most heaviest bike by looking at the weight, or the world's most expensive bike, or the world's most cheap bike, I'm just going to go on Source BMX and use the screen recorder to record them videos. So I'm going to start off by doing my dream bike and let's get started. Oh, and by the way, if you're wondering why I'm not recording the tutorial Tuesday, it's because it's wet outside and I'm not going out to record it and I don't want to film it inside again. So, yeah, let's get started again. Okay guys, so now we are on Source BMX and I am going to do my custom bike build. So, the frame, I would like the BSD AVX digital camo. So BSD, God's sake, autocorrect. Digital camo. Oh no, okay, but and there it is. So the BSD VX frame. So I'm going to put that in my basket. I'm not actually going to buy it, I'm just putting it in my basket. The forks, I want the Odyssey R32 forks. So Odyssey R32 forks. So search for that. And then, right, so there they are, and I'm gonna get them in black. Wait, does it give me a colour option? Black. I think I will go for black. So I have black forks and black bars. Right, okay. So the headset, I want the Primo headset. That is the one which I have currently got on my bike now, if you saw or watched the video the other day. And I would get that one in, I think that should be, if I get that in polished, buy that in polished, and then bars, I want the Cult Crew bars. Okay, Cult Crew bars, and they will be in black. I haven't looked at the size, but this is roughly. And then, okay, so I'll do the stem. I want the Primo stem. That's currently what I have got on my bike, but I just think that's a really good stem, and yeah, so I'd probably keep that. Is this one. And if my headset's going to be polished, then I would get that in polished as well. Next up, we have got the cranks. Oh wait, no, why am I typing in cranes? I want the Primo Stevie cranks, I think that's what they're called. The 24mm. Yeah, Primo Stevie 24mm. And if I will get them in, they should be polished. Is there a polished or chrome? Oh wait, I think I saw chrome in the 165mm. I'm not really looking at the size, but yeah. So yeah, got them so far. And then pedals, I'd have the Odyssey Grandstand. Odyssey Grandstand. Okay, search for them. These are really nice pedals. They're like really big, so they can probably fit most people's feet on if you're a bigger rider. And I would have them in, yeah, black. And then the grips would be Colt. Oh wait, I forgot to type in grips. But am I gonna find them? There they are, the Colt Rickety grips. I have these on my bike. They're really soft and comfortable, so I'd probably put them on my next bike. And I think black actually. Yeah, black. So it's going to be the black and chrome with the... Let me just check. I definitely put the cranks. Yeah, okay. And then I want sprockets. I haven't actually chosen a sprocket. Sprocket. I don't really know how to spell it. Bear in mind if this video is long. Okay, I'll just go to front wheel. Wheels. Right, so my wheels are going to be the same. I want the wheels which I am getting for my bike on the front and the back. So, where is it? Profile Mini C38 custom cassette wheel. And I'm just going to, I'm not going to bother doing any of the options. I'll just confirm the selection. And then, yep, add that to basket. And then front wheel. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but hopefully it's not too long. Right now I've just got to find this one. I won't do the colours either. Confirm my selection. And then add to a basket. I'm not actually going to do the seat, but after them I've got the tyres are E-clat, just search them. Hopefully it comes. To be honest, wait, I'll get this sprocket because I haven't actually put a sprocket, and I really like the E-clat vent sprocket. And yeah, get the black 25 tooth because 25 tooth all the way and sprocket guard all the way. And next I want the E-clat tyres. I've got quite a few E-clat and Primo parts, but I like having the same part. I think it's just better. Oh, and the E-clat Ridgestone tyre in black to finish this off. Black 2.3. That's what I've currently got on my bike. And then, if I go over to basket, I'll just show you through my basket quickly. Right, so I've got the Odyssey R32 fork, E-clat vent sprocket guard, Odyssey Grandstand alloy Tom Duncan pedals, Primo Icon top load stem polished, Primo integrated headset polished, Colt Rickety grips black, Profile Mini C38 Cinema front wheel, Profile Mini C38 custom cassette wheel, and the BSD special edition digital camo frame, Primo Stevie 24mm cranks in chrome, Colt crew bars in black, and finally the E-clat Ridgestone tyre. And that bike comes to a total of £1,311. So to be honest, it's not one of the most expensive bikes. It's actually one of the cheaper versions, but that's because it's got discount off. But yeah. Okay, so that took longer than I thought. This video is going to be quite long, but I'm going to get the outro done as fast as I can so I can actually upload this video. I hope all of you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Definitely comment below what I should do next. Like I said at the start, most expensive, lightest, or anything like that. And I hope you all enjoyed. Remember, like and subscribe. I am